I'm Connor with GME Supply, and today we're going to briefly explain our custom tower climbing kits. Gear kits have quite a few advantages. They save you money, include everything you need, and save you the hassle of buying and shipping everything separately. We've previously done a few videos on some of our other kits. You can click right there to see them. But we've stepped up the kit game with a build your own tower climbing kit option. This means you can pick every aspect of your climbing kit: harnesses, helmets, lanyards, and accessory packages. You'll start with the basics. For harnesses, you'll have your pick from today's top brands. And for helmets, you'll have your choice in style and color. You'll also have an option of including a cable grab. Each option has an upgrade that offers a more premium product at a discounted price. Next, we'll explain the 3 optional packages. First off, we have the connector package, which includes 2 standard carabiners, 2 large carabiners, and a spreader bar. The accessory pack includes anchor straps, tool lanyards to prevent dropped objects, and a radio holster. With the bag package, you'll receive a GME Supply deluxe gear bag and 2 GME Supply heavy-duty top-closing bolt bags. With our deluxe gear bag, you can pack your whole kit with ease and be sure you're fully prepared for the workday. The best thing about building your own kit is that with our state-of-the-art account management system, our gear experts can save the exact specs of your kit to make reordering easy. To build your own custom tower climbing kit, head over to gmesupply.com. And for even more specialized customization options, give our gear experts a call. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and now Snapchat.